Hello friends, myself Arbab Khan, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Geography, DK College, Dumrao. Friends, today we are going to discuss the scope and fields of human geography, which is part of your BA Part 3 Honours Syllabus, Paper 6, Group D, Human Geography. In this particular lecture, I am going to discuss the various fields of human geography. What is the scope of human geography? What is the real meaning of human geography? And how human geography is related with other sister disciplines, and how the subject matter of other discipline is of interest for human geography. So how human geography is related with other fields and how other fields are related with human geography. These are all things which we are going to discuss in this particular lecture. So as I have said earlier, I have taken this particular diagram from the book of Majid Hussain, Human Geography. So in this particular diagram, he has very efficiently showed how human geography is related with other fields. So first of all, we can see that human geography is in the center and the subfields of human geography are on the periphery but inside the circle of human geography. What are the subfields? Political geography, population geography, urban geography, social geography, economic geography, behavioral geography, and cultural geography. Now these are the subfields of human geography, and now how these subfields are related with other sister disciplines which are present on the periphery and the outer circle of human geography, and these are like political geography is related with political science, population geography is related with demography, urban geography is related with urban studies, urban and social science planning, social geography is related with sociology, language and religious studies. Likewise, economic geography, which is related with regional economics and economics, behavioral geography, which is related with psychology and economics, and last, cultural geography, which is related with anthropology and sociology and history. So this particular diagram it broadly shows how human geography is related with other sister disciplines. So now, friends, what is the scope of human geography? So human geography particularly concerned with the role of man to its surroundings, its environment, and the main thrust area of human geography is study of human societies in their relation to the habitat or their physical environment. This is human geography deals with the spatial distribution of societies, means how societies are spatially distributed on the earth surface, and it also studies human race, their tradition, their culture, their physical differences, their cultural differences, their economic activities, their settlement patterns, and how they are adapting to their natural environment and how they are affecting their natural environment, and their towns, the functional classification of towns, their communication, trade. So all those activities which are related to human beings in spatial and temporal context are of interest for human geography. So human geography deals with the world as it is and with the world as it might be made to. So the particular emphasis of human geography is on human or on the people, means how people are doing their particular activities and how these activities are affecting their surroundings. So how peoples are affected by environment and how environment is being affected by people is the particular concern of human geography. Likewise, in tundra areas, human are adapting to the ways of environment, but in plain areas, people are changing environment for their own welfare. Likewise, problem of overpopulation, problem of environmental pollution. These are all subfields which are of particular concern for human geography. Now, let us discuss with the fields of human geography. What are the fields of human geography, and how other disciplines are concerned with human geography, and how human geography studies the fields which are associated with other sister disciplines. So first is cultures. Cultures or culture is the particular concern of human geography. So what is culture? Cultural geography is a part of human geography which studies the cultural products and norms, and its subfields include social geography, animal geographies, language geography, sexuality and space, children's geographies, and religion and geography. So all the cultural phenomena which are associated with human beings are the subject matter of cultural geography. Second is development. So development is a continuous process. Any society which is developing, how it is developing over time, and how it is developing in spatial and temporal context is part of subject matter of human geography. So the subfield of development is development geography, which is part of human geography. So this is the study of Earth's geography with reference to the standard of living and the quality of life of its human inhabitants. So what is the quality of life of its inhabitants, how it can be improved, these are all parts of development geography. Now economies. So economic geography is a subfield of human geography which examines the relationship between human economic systems, states, and other factors and the biophysical environments. Its subfields is marketing geography and transportation geography. Transportation geography is particular interest to the field of human geography because trade and commerce is the part and parcel of human life. Without trade and commerce, any society cannot flourish. So this particular aspect of transportation geography is very important for human geography. Now another aspect is health. So the physical well-being of human being is very important for the proper functioning of any society. Medical or health geography is the subfield or sister discipline of human geography. So it is the application of geographical information, perspectives, and methods to study of health, disease, and healthcare. So health geography deals with the spatial relations and patterns between people and the environment. So what is the spatial spread of the disease and how some particular disease is localized in particular areas, some other diseases are spreading world over. These are all for the study of human geography under medical geography. And this is a subdiscipline of human geography, researching how and why diseases are spread. Friends, in today's time where we are dealing with COVID pandemic or coronavirus, so this particular field of geography, that is medical geography, is very important to track down the origin and spread of the virus, how virus originates to a particular area, and how this virus spreads to all over the world. This is the subfield, or this is the of very important for the field of medical geography. This is the subject matter of medical geography. So the temporal aspect of disease is spread, their spatial context, these are all the subject matter of medical geography. Now another is politics. So political geography is concerned with the study of both the spatially uneven outcomes of political processes and the ways in which political processes are themselves affected by spatial structures, and its subfields are electoral geography, geopolitics, strategic geography, and military geography. So politics is the fundamental for the development of any human society, like government. So all those things like war and peace, all are concerned with political geography. So in this subfield we study geopolitics, strategic geography, and military geography. Histories. Historical geography is the study of human, physical, fictional, theoretical, and real geographies of the past. So historical geography studies a wide variety of issues and topics. A common theme is the study of the geographies of the past and how a place or region changes through time. Many historical geographers study geographical patterns through time, including how people have interacted with their environment and created the cultural landscape. And last is urbanism. So urban geography is the study of cities, towns, and other areas of relatively dense settlement areas. Their subfield includes economic geography, population geography, and settlement geography. However, these are clearly not the only subfields that could be used to assist in the study of urban geography, but they are some major players. So friends, in this particular lecture I have introduced you broadly with the subfields of human geography, various sister disciplines of human geography, various subfields of human geography. There are countless other subfields and sister disciplines which are related with human geography, but for our examination point of view and for our knowledge, we have discussed the broad categories of fields of human geography. So if any problem or any need arises, you can contact me easily on my mail. Thanks.